If your page is yet to be monetized, see, avoid these things so that you can be able to be monetized. Okay, I was able to see this message because my page was monetized. So if you know you are not yet monetized, please avoid these things, because once you use it, Facebook will not even notify you that you are using a copyright stuff or you are using somebody's property, and you might just see it as a normal thing, but it will affect your page, it will affect you, and it will not allow the monetization policy issue to go off because you are using somebody's content. And all these things are being placed with copyright, is it I've forgotten this thing, rights manager. People have placed rights manager on content like this. So if you know you are here to be monetized, do not use these things. I was able to see this thing because my page is monetized, so Facebook had to tell me that I will be sharing earning with somebody which is in Vietnam. But if you know you are not, and if I was not monetized, I will see such message and it will make that page having a policy issue. So let me say this thing: if you are here to be monetized, you are not monetized, please do not just use any sound effects. Number one, sound effects. You know the sound effect that normal popular comedians or content creators usually use, that that will give sound. Please avoid those sound effects. Avoid those sound effects. Number two, again, please do not use any kind of music you just see online. Do not use any kind of music you just see. Maybe you just see a kind of music that is popular, that many people have been using, and you think you want to go and use it. I bet you somebody might have signed a copyright manager on that music, because seeing it popular, everybody using it, might not be popular to you as an upcoming content creator. And number three, do not use images anyhow. There are so many images that have rights manager on them, especially images that maybe that owns by companies or big brands. They'll put a rights manager on it so that people can't use their images anyhow. So try and avoid, I said, sound effects. If you don't know what sound effect, check online and know the meaning of sound effects, because some of you use it but you don't know. And again, do not use people's music anyhow. And number three, do not use images. Images can give you copyrights. You can go on Google and there's a settings you check if you to check if an image you want to download has a rights manager on it. And again, lastly, please, if you want to escape from copyright issues from content monetization policy, please avoid this last one, which is I'm trying to remember it, which is using will I say harmful words when making your content. Using harmful word when making your content, like maybe it's the KILLER or DEAD. You understand all those kind of harmful word or things that talks about sex. Please avoid those things. And again, if you want to make your content, avoid maybe posting in a, well, I say, in a seductive or doing content on beds, content that looks like seductive content. Avoid content like that. And again, with all these points I've just said, there are many things which might hinder you from um monetizing your page and giving you copyright issues. But at least these things I've just said are points that if you follow them, I bet you your page is going to get monetized and you won't have any issues with monetization. But I don't have much to say now, but I'm just trying to analyze these things I just saw, because if I wasn't monetized, I won't see something like this. But as I was monetized, I was alerted because, and I was told that I will be sharing revenue with a certain almost 13 people, 13 companies which have signed a rights manager on this sound effect, and it's just a sound effect. Sound effect. You see, you might be doing the right thing, but sound effects might be the problem of your content not ticking that monetization policy. So if you find this video very helpful, just subscribe, like, and again, after you deleted all your videos that you know have so many issues which you think might be the problem, you write to them. Watch one of the video I have down on how to write to Facebook, on how to they can check your content and see your videos to see that you are well to do. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.